deaf rock stars, wearing synthetic wigs made of Anwars, dreadlocks, bedrock, harder than a motherfucking Flintstone, making crack rocks out of pussy nigga fish bones. This nigga Jasper tryna get grown, about 5'7" of his bitches in my bedroom. Swallow the cinnamon, I'ma scribble this shit and shit while Sid is telling me that she's been getting intimate with men. Sid, shut the fuck up. Here's the number to my therapist. You tell him all your problems, he's fucking awesome with listening. I told him to quit bitching, it says in a fucking hotline for a fucking shrink. Sheesh, I already got mine and he's not fucking working. I think I'm wasting my damn time. I'm clocking 6 and going postal. This the revenge of the dicks. That's 9 cocks that cock 9. This ain't no V-Tech shit or Columbine, but after bowling I went home for some damn adventure time. I slipped myself some pink Xannies and danced around the house and all over print panties. My mom's gone, that fucking broad will never understand me. I'm not gay, I just wanna boogie to some Marvin. What you think I hate?
That was a really good video. I'm sorry for doing this late. This is like 5 years later.
I'm a fucking walking paradise. No, I'm not.
But that was it. Video yonkers, painting, parodies, sort of parody, and you guys like the video, like, you guys don't like the video, like, you guys are neutral, like, and hopefully you guys can comment. I'm only on Instagram because it's Instagram. And share this video. I don't know. But yeah. That was a parody of Tyler, the Creator, Yonkers, 2011. It was 2016. 5 years late.
Jesus called, he said he's sick of the dits.
But yeah.
For a fucking shrink. Sheesh, I already got mine and he's not fucking working. I think I'm wasting my damn time. I'm clocking 6 and going postal.